What's up, guys? I'm making a new video here, back onto Wolf Online. I had to restart because it kind of crashed, and it made my character restart and everything. So now I'm back to level 1. You can move, if you press this button. Yeah, I already know how to do all that stuff. Let's just get on going. Waiting. But wait. I'm hype because Thanksgiving break, I get to upload a whole bunch of. I get to upload almost every day. Unless I'm doing something. Alright, first off the bat, gotta find something to mm, gotta find something to hunt and kill. I make our per brain, okay, whatever. And should I risk it, guys? Should I try to fight the other person? Do you look? Oh, he's already dead. Never mind. Well, anyways, first thing I'm doing is killing something. Doesn't matter what. Just got to be something. Oh God. Of course it's gonna be a rhino. Of course it's gonna be a rhino. He's gonna get his ass whooped. What if I actually do kill it though? That would be pretty good. That would be pretty nice. That would be pretty awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Stay away from the toy. Yay, somebody who might take my kill. Great. Oh, never mind. Oh, that's okay. Well, that sucks. I want to go to Wildland, but Wildland over here, but not yet because I want to get to level 1, at least level 1 before I go, so I don't have to worry about what you call it, worry about dying right off the bat, all that stuff. Come here, don't run, just gonna make it worse for you. And wolves are people just I don't know why people make videos about wolves killing humans, which they really don't. Wolves are just one of the top apex predators. They to be honest, they're more scared of us than we are of them. I don't see how, but that's just how it works. So if you see any videos about if you see any videos about a wolf killing a human, don't believe it. Don't do that, guys. It's not real. And gosh, I took a lot of damage. Anyways, I hope I can just move. Anyways, I hope I can get the kill. I need that point before I go. Cause to be honest, wild wolves are I wouldn't say they're weak, but they're not that strong. I should say that. Yeah, cause they're not all that strong. I know I left my other prey. Darn it! Oh, run for life. Ugh. I just hope he doesn't. Oh, he's gonna kill me. He's coming for me. He's coming. He's circling around. Oh my God, he's knocking everyone out. I am running. Get away from me. Not gonna deal with that buff. Buff. I'm gonna deal with your buff later. Buff. Don't run. They run. These things, these elk, I think they are. These bull elk run so freaking weird. It's it's just weird. Doesn't look right. It don't look right. I mean, they have the right type of running uh style they have, but from the back of the legs, it just looks weird as heck. 21. Let's go. To be honest, I'm really not trying to get any of the points or nothing like that. Well, eating it and everything. I'm just honestly just trying to kill them, get to level 1 so I can go. And I hope I can get to level 1 before the end of the video and all that stuff. Oh, move. Don't want to try to die. right now. I'm trying to live. Yeah. I'm just gonna say, darn it! There are, like, I'm just gonna say that there are bosses in this game. So, like, the Snow Guardian boss, the Mountain Guardian boss, the Combat Field, I wouldn't say that's a boss, but Wild Guardian, and the Dragon, basically. So, anyways, I will want to destroy one of them. Like, when time comes, just wreck their face. We all know, but I definitely know that's not gonna happen anytime soon. So, like, until then, is that a squirrel? Oh my god. Well, but yeah, until then, I can't really do nothing. So, yeah. There goes somebody unnamed. Oh, GF is what? Oh, I think that's a hacker. I think he just had firepaw. That's he just had firepaw. Okay. I'm gonna ask, can I join it? Yeah, but, what to do? I'm gonna go over there. This is like a food fest. But yeah, guys, I will make a pack once I'm leveled something. And it will be on Kick, so Kick pack is gonna be Kick on Kick. It's an app that you can text and have chat with other people. It's gonna be on there. Yeah. And there goes a predator. Oh yeah, if you wanna know how I'm fighting these things, it's just because there's like a mini map. Like right there. Right there. Kill, 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 kill. No. And y'all guys should definitely, I know I only have 7 subscribers, but that's like a good amount for me since I'm not that much. Since I'm not really like, since I'm new to YouTube, it helps me out. Whoa, there goes the elephant. Gonna try to kill this first. Just running in circles. Like, oh my gosh. I know I should probably go help with the elephant. There goes him running in circles, but I should probably go help with the elephant. Not yet though. They got it. I don't see how it got up there. Well, anyways, it down here. I can kill it. Easy, bro. Stop running. Ew, its tail is just sticking straight out. That's weird. That's weird. If y'all can see the tail, I know my tail does the same thing, but like, ours actually looks normal, but theirs is just like, what? And I have no idea. I think it's a cantaloupe, something like that. There goes that. Noise again. I don't get. Swear if I can't kill this one. He should be dead by now. Thank you. I need a lag, but he's just gonna kill me. He's just gonna go. Oh, another one. Oh, perfect. Yes. Alright, guys. See you later.